Okay, Dow made a big move down yesterday, and yesterday for me, but still today for USA. And I caught it going down. I caught it right here. I caught the sell stop at 857 and took 200 ticks. And I should have went for more. Now I've got another order in. This is going to be a code 7 trade. And this is a sell stop 34,406 and a limit to buy back at 206, going for another 200 ticks. Count is now up at 360. Hit a pretty good size trade yesterday, 200 ticks. So anyway, I'll be back. Trading codes are just incredible. Every one of them is winning every day. Code 6, code 7. Code 7 did have a problem yesterday or the day before, but got you back in and made a good. I didn't take that one because it was out of my time range, so I didn't even take that one. But they're all working so good; it's incredible. Anyway, I'll come back. By the way, the reason why I didn't get this one on video is because I was sleeping. I put this order in right before I went to sleep, and then went to sleep, and so everything happened while I was sleeping. When I woke up, it had already reached the exit a long time. So now I'm just setting up here for another trades, another code 6 or code 7. You just get one code after another. You got code 4, code 5, code 6, code 7. They just come and keep coming, keep coming. It's like a never-ending smorgasbord of making money and hitting one trade after another. And then you got all these people out there. I mean, they're everywhere. LinkedIn, YouTube, everywhere. And they sit there and they claim how they do this and they do that and they make this much money and they just made this on the trade and blah, blah, blah. Not one of them show it. Not one of them can show that they are actually trading and making money in their account. Not one. It's so weird to be involved with an industry like this where everybody appears to be a scammer. I mean, it's a total scam fest out there. It's really sickening, and everybody thinks that they're a trader. You know, it's like what it is this is like the new job. People think that they can make money by pretending how to trade and teaching people to trade. You know, it's like the new job. I've been doing this for 20 years when nobody else was even doing it, and see the industry completely change into a scam. It's just a bunch of people trying to scam people. Listen, if you can't show your trading in today's world, you might as well not say anything at all, because nobody should believe anybody saying anything unless they can show it. You can't get a video recorder going and record the screen and show what you're doing. Nobody should ever believe anyone who says those things. And then some people say, oh, well, you need to show a broker statement or something like that. A broker statement? A broker statement is like one of the easiest things there is to fake. That is the easiest thing there possibly is to fake. Anybody in the world could fake that. Nobody in the world can fake this. It's impossible. It's a mathematical impossibility. It cannot happen. You see, it's so weird. And you know, it's the scammers who talk about that. The scammers all scamming people. They'll never talk about this because they don't want anybody to see this, because they see this as real. It's a really strange world, you know. If you come out with the truth like I do, you get attacked constantly for doing so. Attacked constantly. There's a people out there that don't want other people to know about the truth, and they don't want other people to make money. This is a fact. You probably don't know this, but there are people out there who don't want other people to make money. You know, it's really weird, but that's the way it is. And in irony, what they do is they do everything they can to scam people because they want to take their money, not give them a way to make money. And these same scammers who I'm referring to, knowing about the codes, they won't teach anybody the codes. They don't want anybody to know the codes. They don't want anybody to profit from the codes. It's really weird. It's been a real lesson over the last 10 years to see the reality of this and see the way people really are, the way the world really is behind the scenes that you don't see. And they come out of the woodwork when you do something like I'm doing. They come out of the woodwork and they try to get you to stop doing it. They've threatened me. They've told me that, all different kinds of things they've said to me to get me to stop teaching these codes to people. They don't want people to know these codes. Anyway, I'll be back. And why do they not want people to know the codes? I mean, what would be the reason for it? Well, I'm just telling you, it's the reason why is because they don't want people to make money. You say, well, why would they care about other people making money? They do. They do care. They hate it when you make money. They want you to be poor and they want you to work for them at one of their corporations. They don't want you to be on your own and have your own money. Okay, trade just got triggered in the trade here, 20 contracts short. This is for a code 7 trade, 200 ticks. I'll be back. Okay, trade is starting to make a move here. Still got a long ways to go for 200 ticks. I'll be back. Okay, I just woke up and the trade was successful. It went off at 206, bought me back out, and made, it says 19,200 on that one. So about $40,000 in 24 hours is what I made. Not bad, huh? Just from playing the codes, that's all it is. Every code is working perfectly. And that's why it's called the code, because it always works. And pretty easy stuff, actually. It's very easy. It makes trading super easy, super profitable. And, anybody who's trying to trade without using the codes is basically wasting their time. I mean, you'd have to be such a good trader to be able to make money at the market in order to, if you didn't know what the codes were. You had to be a really super good trader with a lot of experience. But the codes make it so that anybody can make money. So that's how easy it is and how profitable it is. All you have to do is always get the direction right, and you can be extremely profitable. As you see, my account just keeps going up. Now almost at 380,000. Started with 245 less than 2 months ago. So bringing it up quickly, and the more I bring it up, the faster I can bring it up as well. Anyway, it's Saturday here, and I will be back next week to do some more trading. See you then.